What's up, y'all? It's your girl VIXENRIAH, and today is gonna be my first vlog, I guess, and I'm gonna show you guys how I got this weave put in right here. I got it done by my friend Gina. I will put all of her information below, and y'all will meet her in just a little bit. Okay, I just got out of the shower, so I'm gonna do my skincare routine for a little bit. I just picked up these Fenty minis that they sold. I haven't tried the total cleanser. Oh my god, this is kind of hard to squeeze, but I love the fat water and I knew I was gonna love it. It's like 12. It's 12. Ooh, it's 12:22. I really set my Thursdays aside for schoolwork or getting some content creating in. I tried that Aztec clay mask on Monday and I got a pimple on my chin. This facial roller, refrigerated. My skin looks so good. Aside for this pimple, I'm gonna use a little bit of the hydrofizer, a little, because it is SPF. I love the smell though. Like if Fenty Skin was to come out with a lotion that smells like this, I would probably use it every day. Alright, so I blow dried my hair out. I didn't like blow dry it like I would have if I was straightening it. I kind of like half-assed it. But it's so big. When my hair is wet and just like naturally curly, it doesn't look like I have that much hair, and then I blow dry it and I have hella hair. Also, from Mariah in the future, the top that you see me wearing in the video as I'm getting my hair done is sold on Amazon. I am an Amazon influencer, so I will have my link down below. Support small content creators, you guys, and buy from my Amazon link. If you ever see anything that you like that is on there, just purchase through my Amazon link, and I do get a small compensation from it, and it's very appreciated. All right. This is Gina.
Hey,
do you want to drop your Instagram and your YouTube?
yeah, so my business page is Damn Gina Hair, and it's Damn Gina as in Damn Gina, and my YouTube page is also Damn Gina. My personal Insta is Lovely Gina with 2 Y's, and there's an underscore between Lovely and Gina, so follow me on there, especially on my business page. And I got that 20-inch 3 bundles. And we're doing a frontal same length, and we're gonna see how this goes. This is her first one, so
I had to go to Gina for it, of course, though. Hey y'all, so this is the next day, the next morning. This is the final look, and I'm in love. I just need to learn how to properly relay the lace. I did buy this glue, the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. It looks a little dirty right now because we used it yesterday. Hi Joey, you want to be in my YouTube video? Hi guys, this is Joey. Hi guys. Sorry, it's yours. Okay. But yeah, that's the end of my video. I don't know, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.